Hi, in this video we're going to go over why gravitational potential energy unit is called a joule. So I'm just going to start by writing my equation. GPE is equal to the mass times gravity times height. Now I'm going to rewrite it, adding my units. The units for GPE is a joule. The units for mass is a kilogram. The units for gravity is meters. Let me erase that. It is meters per second squared. And finally, the unit for height is usually a meter. So from here, we can get that a joule is the same thing as a kilogram meters per second squared times another meter. In the next chapter, we're going to learn that a kilogram meter per second squared is often referred to another unit called a newton. From that, a newton meter would also be equal to a joule. But for right now, what we care about is the equation for GPE, which is mgh. And as long as we keep up with our units, we will always know that a joule is a kilogram meters per second squared times another meter.